Hello, welcome to the Python starter video. And let's start with the printing out an output of hello world from a Python code. As I am using the Microsoft Visual Studio as an IDE for executing our Python code. Let's print out the hello world. It had printed the statement hello world. You can print anything from using Python uh, by print statement. So now, coming forward for variables and data types, there are integer, float, string, and boolean variables and data types in Python. By using x is equal to 10, we are declaring x as an integer having value 10. And by using y is equal to 20.5, we are declaring y as a variable having value 20.5. Y is a floating point variable here. And name is equal to Alice. We are declaring name is having a statement Alice as string. And is underscore active is equal to true. We are declaring the is underscore active variable as a boolean variable, and we can present these variable these print of name and print of is underscore active here. And when we will print name is Alice, it's displaying Alice, and print is underscore active, it's displaying true. And now for commenting Python code, we can use hash in start. So it will not display any output, as this is a single line comment. And for arithmetic operations, we will use sum is equal to x plus y, as we know x is 10 and y is 20.5. So sum is equal to x plus y, we will print the sum. Diff is equal to y minus x. For subtraction, it will display the print of diff, and product is x into y. For multiplication, it will display the print the product. And for quotient is equal to y over x. For division, print quotient. And for modulus, as it will display the remainder, print of modulus. So let's execute this. And when we will execute this, first of all, it will give sum, and then difference, and then product, and then it will give a quotient, and then it will give modulus. So moving forward, for using conditional statements, as we are having x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 20.5, when we will run this code, if x is less than y, it will print x is less than y. Else if x is greater than y, it will print x is greater than y. Else print x and y are equal. So let's run this, and it will give x is less than y. As we know, x is 10 and y is 20.5. Let's move towards the loops. For loops, first of all, we will look forward the for loop. For I in range of 5, it will generate the number from 0 to 4 when by using this loop. It will give 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 in 5 iteration, as we are giving in the range 5. So for using while loop, as count is equal, we defined count is equal to 5. While count is greater than 0, it will print the count. Count is minus is equal to 1. So it will display the numbers in the descending order. So it will give 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, we will go towards the list. And in list, as we had defined a list of numbers, number is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For we will print the numbers of zeroth index, so it's giving the index number. If we will access the first item from on 0 index, as list start from 0. So for first item and on the 0th index, our first item is 1. So it will give us 1 on the 0th index. When we will write it as 1, it will give the second item, and it had given us 2. So, and next moving forward, numbers dot append of 6. We will use a append function and we will append 6 at the end of the list. And we can remove any number. Let's remove the 2 from the list and it will remove the number of 2 from the list, and we will print the numbers now, and it had removed 2 and added 6 at the end. Add 6 added at the end and 2 is removed, as we had executed this line of code also. So let's hope this brings you a good starter, brief starter for your Python journey. And let's subscribe to this channel and like this video, and so that I can make more informative videos for all of you. Thank you.